YouTube. This is your girl D Spoiled Ass Tabron coming to you with another video. And today's video is going to be on a Louis Vuitton unboxing from Fashionphile. But before I get started, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers who's sticking in there with me. Thank you for the new subscribers. If you have subscribed to my channel, thank you. But let's go ahead and get into it. Now, this item that I did get was an item that I had my eye on for a minute. I just been kind of sitting back watching all the videos, and I think I've watched every video on this one. If I haven't and you like to upload videos, please do one on this one. Tell me your thoughts, what you think. So without further ado, let me go ahead and grab the bag. This item came Friday. And I kept saying I was going to try to get this video up so I can go ahead and carry it, see if I like it or not. But here is the box. Cover up my address. Here is the, I haven't opened it. So this is a true unboxing. So without further ado, let's do this. And you guys, I know I haven't been on YouTube that much in front of the camera, but I have been watching your videos behind the scene. I had a lot going on. I got new things going on that I will share with you later when I get to that point. So I just want to let you know I have been busy, but at the same time I have still been on YouTube watching your videos. You know, you guys are always welcome to leave me comments down below on my videos, and I will get back with you. So, without further ado, I have opened the box. It is from Fashionphile. This item was new with everything. Box, dust bag, the whole 9 yards. You guys, I'm hoping I really like this bag because it looks cute on every video that I've seen other girls carrying it and stuff, or ladies. Here is the receipt as always. And here's a thank you card with their logo. You know them and their confetti, make it rain. Fingernail file. Okay. It's always exciting when you can get a new item from Fashionphile with the box and everything. It's so exciting. I have confetti everywhere. Okay. The used is the new. But once again, this is new, not used. So and my co-workers wanted me to open it up at work because I have turned my boss supervisor on to Fashionphile, and now she's addicted. I think she's bought like 2 or 3 within 1 month. If you can do it, do it. Not mad at you, not a hater. So, you know me, when I buy my items, I like to share it with my YouTube fams. So, I didn't open it at work, but I'm going to trust and sure. I'm going to say it was hard, because I wanted to see this. But here is the box. Some of you might already know what it is. Some of you might not. Here is their dust bag. Here is the Louis Vuitton dust bag. Here is the booklet. Here is the description of what it is, and the code to it is M43644. Okay, so some of you who already have this might know what that means. Oh, I dropped the textile card. Getting into it. Their drawstring dust bag. And without further ado, you guys, here it is. It is the Louis Vuitton monogram Bumbag. It says comes with box and dust bag. It has the zipper in the box. I mean, not the box, in the back of the bag. The zipper seems pretty easy to open. You guys, it still has the plastic on the stickers, right? I mean, the stickers on the handle. Like I said, I've watched these videos, and this bag holds a lot. Here is the inside. They packed it with some bubble wrap, which is good. And here is the inside right here. So this bag was Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. That's good. Then you have your tab right here, and on the top of it, it says Louis Vuitton Paris right here. And you guys, I contemplated hard on getting this one or the World Tour one, only because I'm scared of the pochetta. I know once your hands get oily and stuff, sometimes it starts to seep into the pochetta, and you can't get caught in the rain with this bag. So it's just like, do I take a chance? Do I do it? What do I do? Of course, this one looked better to me, my opinion, in the pochetta than the World Tour. So what I did was I went and purchased me some Apple brand, which is grain, rain, and stain papilla. And you can also put this like on your suede boots and things like that. I have used it on the boots. Had no problem with the rain or anything afterwards. So I'm hoping that makes this pochetta turn out okay. I've watched, like I said, videos, and I've seen people put it on theirs. So you guys, I'm going to try this. So as me saying that means I'm going to carry it for a day or two. See if it works for me. Now, I doubt if I ever, ever wear it like this. I don't know. That's, let's see, hope you can see that. I don't know. It doesn't look bad on me right there. But my intent on getting it was for, let me hook it up for you. And as you can see, I am in my beauty room. Was to carry it more like this, because this is my style. You know, they say you can carry it crossbody. I might try that way, but I don't know about this way. I don't. I mean, I'm not to say that I'm not, but as of right now, I don't know. So you guys, I will come back on here and let you know what I think of this. So either tonight I will do another video showing what's in my Louis Vuitton Palm Springs MM to transfer over and see what I decide to put in this to carry it. So I've been carrying my MM Palm Springs backpack ever since I got it. Love it because I'm a backpack girl. But I'm thinking I might carry this for a while as my bag. Give my Palm Springs a break. And then use my Never Full MM. You can't see it, but it's down there. And as you can see, you guys, my bags are right here. You have my Chanel Maxi, not the double flap, the one that just has the big opening. I did a video on that, so you can go check that out. I have my Louis Vuitton bandolier and my wallet, the 2 wallets. I do have my Louis Vuitton Prompt GM. My Artsy is down here with the 2 wallets and the coin purse. My Never Full is down there. I do have Louis Vuitton bandoliers just sitting in front of them. My Chanel GST is down here. My Louis Vuitton Noel right there with some small leather goods in front of it. And then in that one I have my toiletry, some Chanel glasses and watches, and my luggage tag that's in the dark brown. So that's just my little setup from behind me as far as my bags and stuff. I might do a tour on my beauty room because you got all my Jordans and all my shoes over there and my island. So yeah, I might do that one. If you want to see that one, leave me a comment down below requesting video on makeup room. So I might, like I said, come back on here tonight and do what I think I can carry that I need on an everyday essential in here. Because it's going to be hard for me, I'm not going to tell a story. It is. Because I like to have all my things in my backpack and I'm good. So I might use the Never Full for my work bag and my business, you know, laptop and stuff like that. So we will decide. I will contemplate after loading this up. When I come back on here tonight, y'all gonna go with me and decide with me, what should I do? So you guys, until the next time, your girl is out. Okay, you guys, so I decided to come back on here and just do some behind the scenes of mod shots. So like I said, I do have on some jeans with some distress holes under it with some black leggings so that you can see my shirt pop a little bit more. I have on my Space Jams, you can't see them, my Jordan Space Jams, and a little athletic shirt. So I figured I can carry it like this, where this is like that, or I could do the other side where I have my zipper and my phone. How did I just have it? Like this. I haven't tried a crossbody, but we can try that. Bear with me, I haven't figured out how to make it where it's okay. Let's see. Okay, this is crossbody like that, which is not bad. I think I want it to come down a little bit more, so that means I would have to adjust the strap. So that's a good thing that you can adjust it up or back. And you can see the Louis Vuitton strap if you don't have on a jacket and it's not bulky. So you guys, I just wanted to come on here and do a little behind the scene, see what you think. Like I said, it's probably going to go like this, because I can see myself walking the mall, whatever, you know, store, outing, with it just like this, where it's comfortable. It feels comfortable on the shoulder. It's not falling down, but we'll see once we get some things in it. So until the next time.